Hey guys, check this out. It's the CYBPULTE CJS01 8000 amp jump starter with built-in air compressor. Inside the box, we get a nice carrying case that holds everything in one place, including the jump starter and air compressor itself, which provides 160 psi and 65 watts of fast charging, with USB inputs and outputs, as well as connections for the jump starter and air lines. A built-in handle on the unit, a built-in light. It has everything you need. Also inside the case is a usage notice, instructions, the jumper cables, which easily connect, the air hose that screws into the bottom of the unit, some additional compressor accessories, and charging cables. Speaking of charging, let's get this plugged in and all charged up. Once we're charged, we're ready to head out to the Harley and get it ready for a new summer season. First, I'll unpack the unit, then remove the seat, remove the battery cover, plug in the jumper cables, connect it to the battery and wait for it to say ready, and just like that, we're up and running. Now we can put that battery cover back in place and grab the air hose and unit to air up the front tire. Screw the hose into the unit, hit OK and select the correct mode and set your air pressure. Remove your valve stem and attach the air line. Once ready, hit OK and just wait for it to fill up. It will auto stop at the chosen pressure, and we can then remove the hose and reattach the cover onto the back tire. Repeat the process to air it up and make sure the proper pressure level is set. And just like that, we're all set. Thanks to the CYBPULTE JS01, we can now take the Harley out and enjoy the Seattle summer. If you want one of your own, grab it in the link below. And as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.